लिमिट्स को अगर आपने अच्छे से पढ़ा होगा तो जेईई मेंस 26 का ये क्वेश्चन आपसे इजीली सॉल्व हो सकता है। क्वेश्चन में एफ एक्स इज इक्वल्स टू साइन एक्स एंड एक्स इज बिलोंग्स टू आर। देन क्वेश्चन एफ एक्स इज इक्वल्स टू सम लिमिट दिया है, एफ एक्स इज इक्वल्स टू लिमिट y टेंड्स टू 0, फर्स्ट ब्रैकेट इज 1 minus cos xy into tan xy and denominator is y to the power cube. First, to solve this limit, we will solve for 1 minus cos xy, and we have formula for 1 minus cos xy from cos 2x, which is 2 sin square xy by 2 divided by y square and tan xy divided by y. Limit y tends to 0, tan xy and here y. जो डिनोमिनेटर में y क्यूब है वो हमने y स्क्वायर और y में डिस्ट्रीब्यूट किया है, और tan का जो लिमिट सॉल्व करने के लिए x चाहिए हमें, तो इक्वेशंस तो फॉर्मूले में फिट होने के लिए मैंने x लिया यहाँ पे। और देखिए नेक्स्ट स्टेप है एफ एक्स इज इक्वल्स टू 2x स्क्वायर बाय 4 लिमिट साइन एक्स वाई बाय 2 and xy by 2 in the denominator whole to the bracket square into x into limit tan y to the y tends to 0 tan xy by xy, and by formula this limit is 1 and also this is 1, so remaining term is fx is equals to x square by 2 into x. So our final fx is x cube by 2 and fx is equals to, we have sin x, so sin x is equals to x cube by 2. So now let x cube by 2 minus sin x is equals to some other function, let's say g of x is equals to g of x. Now differentiate g of x, we will get g dash of x is equals to 3x square by 2 minus cos x. Let's say this is equation number 2 and g of x is equation number 1. Now again differentiate g dash of x, we will get g double dash of x is equals to 3x plus sin x. Let this is equation number 3. Now from this equation number 3, we will put for positive x, g double dash of 0 is equals to 1, which is greater than 0, and our g double dash of x for x is greater than 0 is positive, so we can say this is g dash of x is strictly increasing on interval 0, infinity. Also, g dash of pi by 6 is equals to 3 by 2 pi square by 36 minus cos pi by 6 is root 3 by 2. Now I will take 3 by 2 common, and in the bracket pi square by 36 minus 1 will give us some negative value. So g dash of pi by 6 is less than 0. Also we can notice for another point, let's say pi by 2. G dash of pi by 2 is equals to 3 by 2 pi square by 4 is greater than 0. Now so we can see here, g dash of pi by 6 is negative and g dash pi by 2 is positive. So by intermediate value theorem, we can say at least one root of g dash lie in between pi by 6 to pi by 2. So there is at least one root in between pi by 6 comma pi by 2. Now take g of x. G of x is equals to x cube by 2 minus sin x. Take limit as x tends to infinity. It will give infinity value. We can say as x tends to infinity, g of x tends, limit of g of x tends to infinity. So we can conclude that for positive values of x, g of x is equals to 0 has only one positive root. And also to check for negative values of x, take g of minus x is equals to, on putting this minus x into gx, we will get minus x cubed by 2 minus sign of minus x. Now on solving we will get minus in bracket x cubed by 2 minus sin x, which is g of x. So finally is g of minus x is equals to minus g of x. It means g of x is odd function. It concludes that g of x has one negative root. And as g of 0 is equals to 0, that means we can check for primitive case. G of 0 is equals to 0. It means 0 is also our root. So total number of solution fx has 3. It means there are 3 solutions fx has. This is our final answer. Thank you. Bye bye.